learn use of capital letter and full stop. The first word of a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. The first word of a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. We go with few examples. This is a pen. Here, this first word should be capital T. After pen, full stop has to mention. That is a ball. Here, that T first word should be capital. After ball, full stop has to mention at the end. Let's try few more examples. Write each sentence with a capital letter and full stop. That is a cow. This is a table. That is a toy. This is a pencil. So we go with the answers. That is a cow. That first word should be T should be capital. At the end, cow full stop has to mention. This is a table. First word of a sentence. This T first word should mention capital. After table, full stop has to mention. That is a toy. That T should mention in capital. Toy after toy, full stop has to mention. This is a pencil. This T should be capital. After pencil, full stop has to mention.